We wouldn't have mobile phones without a satellite, and a simple basic mechanical system gives the satellite its ability to lock onto a signal. Now, it's a very old technology and it will never change, but we would not have one of those technologies if it wasn't for a very simple plain bearing that's doing a critical job.
Whilst we work in distribution, we actually call ourselves a factory representative, so we feel that we're an extension of the manufacturer and that speaking to us is like speaking to the manufacturer directly.
We work with design engineers, so we need to know that the customer's getting the right product for the job.
We sell specialist products, high precision products, and for that, customers keep coming back time and time again.
One of the very first sales calls I did was to go and see a customer down in the southwest of the UK. The purchasing person there told me that they'd been contacted by one of our competitors to supply the same product that we'd been supplying to them. He'd asked the buyer what they needed to do to sell bearings to that customer, and the customer's response was, go and work for R.A. Rodriguez.
Well, as a salesperson, you've got to believe in the products that you're trying to sell to customers. And Rodriguez have got a reputation for high quality, innovative products, which really do help customers' requirements.
People come to us looking for advice, looking at us for full turnkey solutions, looking for us where they can see our product is unique and where they can use that product within their application. Where we would back that up, we would do an on-site customer visit. We'll look at the customer's application and we'll basically advise them where the product could be used, and then they would rely on us for the technical backup and assistance.
The speed in which business is moving at as well, obviously that's changing. Typical prototyping might take 3 or 4 years. Now we're seeing that condensed.
It's an exciting company to work for. The industries we seem to be working for seem to be thriving, equally as exciting.
We're a small part in a very, very big piece of equipment, so it's extremely important.